guys, what's up? Welcome back. So in today's video, we're gonna be packing my makeup bag because I'm going on vacation. By the time this video goes up, I will be on vacation. But I wanted to show you guys how I pack my makeup and just show you guys the products that I'm taking with me. And the bag that I'm taking is this right here. This will actually be my first time using this. I got this on Amazon, which I do have my first Amazon haul. I think by the time this video goes up, it's gonna already be up or it's not up yet, but I shared in that haul. But this is gonna be my first time packing the stuff in here, so I'm excited to try this out. I've seen a lot of bloggers use these things right here, and you can actually, well, you'll see once we start packing the stuff, you'll see in the video how this works, but I'm excited. So let's go ahead and pack my bag. All right, y'all, so this is what the carrying case or makeup case looks like. I went ahead and removed 3 of the little slots inside, but I'll show you guys how easy it is to put them in and remove them. You just slide them in like this. That's kind of crooked, but they have these little grooves in here and the sides just fit right into it, just like that. I decided to remove the big one right here, and then I took out 2 which were over here, and I just made these 2 sides a little bit bigger just because of the stuff that I am going to be putting in here. And then up here you have where you can put your brushes, your eyeliners, eye pencils, and then there's a zipper right here where you can insert whatever else you need to put in there. But let me tell y'all, this is going to be a very, very minimal makeup trip, because pretty much the whole trip, maybe 1 or 2 days I'll have on some makeup, maybe, but if I do wear the makeup, it's going to be very simple, more like a realistic type of look, because I just want to, be on vacation and not even have to worry about doing my face. But I do have a lot of products that I'm gonna put in here. Starting out with this big section right here, this is where I'll put most of my my serums, my primer, my BB cream, and a cleanser. So the cleanser that I'm gonna take is this Pixie Vitamin C Juice Cleanser. This is my second bottle. I haven't opened this one, so this is brand new. I like to use this every single morning, so I will make sure to have that in there. So for moisturizer, I will be taking my one by Curology. Can't go without this one. And I also want to pack my Too Faced Hangover Hydrating Serum. So I'm just taking 2 moisturizers for this trip because I didn't want to overdo it, and Curology goes with me everywhere, so I had to put that in there. So we'll put both of those in this spot as well. For my primer, I will be taking the Wet n Wild Matte Primer. I haven't used this one in a while, so I definitely want to take this on the trip because it is a matte primer. It's going to be hot. If I do wear some makeup on a couple of days that I'm there, this will be the primer that I'm going to be using. And I'm going to put this in this little section right here because it fits perfectly. Now, as far as foundations, I'm not taking any foundations. I'm actually just going to be taking a CC cream, and that is the one by Thrive Cosmetics. This is their Buildable Blur CC cream. I have the shade Rich. Very, very light on the skin, which is one of the main reasons why I want to take this, because it's kind of like a Your Skin but better CC cream, and it does have SPF in it. It's SPF 35, so this will fit nicely right here. All right, so for setting powder, I'm just bringing 1, and that is the new Anastasia Beverly Hills loose setting powder in the shade Deep Peach. I've really been enjoying this. I've been using this for the past week, going on 2 weeks, so I definitely want to carry this on my trip. And I'm gonna put this right here because it fits so good in this little section right there. And I like this color because I can use this as my under eye setting powder, and I can also dust it all over my face if I want to set the entire face and it doesn't look ashy. So that is going to be perfect for the trip. So I'm not going to take any blushes because I don't really want to do like a full face of makeup on my trip, but I do want to take some bronzer and highlighters. So I'm just going to take a bronzer highlighter duo because it's easier to store. But this is the new one by Minted in collaboration with Ashley Blaine Featherson, and this one is season 1. So I'll show y'all what it looks like. So this is the bronzer in it, and then we have the highlighter in it. I like season 1 for the highlighter. The bronzer is really, really nice as well, but the highlighter in this one is my favorite compared to the one by compared to season 2. But yeah, and we're gonna put this right here where our setting powder is. Look how that fits, y'all. It just fits perfectly. Like, look at that. So good. So like I said, I'm not trying to do like a full face of makeup, but if I do want to wear makeup, it's gonna be a very everyday-ish, simple, no makeup look. So when it comes to eyeshadows, I rather take this one by Morphe. This is the 3B Pure Nude palette. So it just has 3 shades inside, and these are perfect everyday nudes. So I have a good crease color. I have a good all over lid color. These are also good in the crease, especially these 2 right here. But yeah, and these are also really pretty as a one shadow look, which you guys know I am all about. So yes, this will be my eyeshadow for the trip, and this will fit right here where my primer, because the size is so perfect for this little compartment. Oh, I forgot to mention concealer. I was trying to go in the order of how I apply my products, but when it comes down to concealer, I want something very light, not too much of a full coverage, because like I said, I'm not trying to go for a full beat on my trip. But I wanted to pull out this one by Fenty. This is the Matchstick in the shade Suede. Y'all, I have been using this for the past week with my Anastasia foundation, and I love it, y'all. When I tell you, this is so nice as an under eye concealer. I've had this in my collection for ever since they came out with this, and I just pulled it out this month because I wanted to use it. So I just threw it in my everyday makeup stash for the month. But yeah, this will be the concealer that I'm taking, and I'm gonna put this up here because things like this, like little cylinder things, this is not even a cylinder, but it's like an octagon. What is this? I don't know. But little things like this, I'll just squeeze in here at the top like that. So yeah, we have our concealer, we have our setting powder to set with the concealer. I think we're done with the face. See, this is, I'm telling y'all, this is very minimal. You know, I'm not trying to go overboard with makeup. But as far as my eyes, I want to take, of course, my brow pencil. Like I always have to have my brow pencil. This is the Revolution Pro brow pencil, and I'm also going to be taking one eyeliner, which is a brown, and it's by Joa Beauty in the shade, I think it's called brown, but it's just a nice brown eyeliner, and this is great for everyday. Nothing too bold on the eyes, very natural looking. So I definitely wanted to pull this one out for the vacation. And then for my mascara, I'll be taking my Revlon So Fierce mascara. So these are going to go up here as well. So I'm just gonna squeeze them in this. I know this is like for brushes, but you can put anything up here, and I'm not really taking a lot of brushes. Let's see what else. And then setting spray, I will be taking the One by Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Mist, which is one of my favorites, and it's pretty small. So this is one of the main reasons why I wanted to bring this one, because it's pretty small and it can fit nicely in here. So this will go right here. So on those few days that I'm gonna be wearing my makeup, I definitely have to have something to remove it. So I will be taking my Pond's cleansing balm, which is my favorite drugstore cleansing balm. I just purchased this one. I went ahead and emptied the one that I had, so I loved it so much I went ahead and bought another one, and this will fit perfectly right here in this section right there. And of course I have to have things to apply the makeup. So the sponge I'm taking is, y'all already know, my Sonia Kashuk sponge. So this will fit right there. Let me put it in like that. And then for makeup brushes, I'm just gonna be taking 3 brushes. I'm not, you know, going overboard with this. So for my eyeshadow, I'll be taking the Morphe M504. Y'all know this is my favorite blending brushes of all blending brushes. So definitely going to be taking this. So I'll squeeze it right there. Now I will use the sponge for my the CC cream, the concealer, and also the setting powder. But to apply my bronzer, I'll be taking my Pat McGrath brush. This is the powder brush. So I'm gonna use this as my bronzer brush, and this will go right here. And then I want to take my large powder brush. This is by La Mer. I'm gonna use this to apply the powder all over my face. So with the sponge, I'll just apply the powder like under my eyes, down my nose, forehead, and my chin. But just to dust it all over the face, I'll use a larger brush, and this one again is by La Mer. So this will go right in here. What else? I want to bring the Anastasia Beverly Hills Shimmer, what is this? The Shimmer Body Oil. This is like the perfect time to finally use this because of course I'm gonna be, you know, on vacay on the beach, and I want something that's going to be glowy on the body. So this will go right here. Oh, and another cleanser that I'm taking is this one by Curology. And this will be like my nighttime cleanser. So once I take off my makeup, or even if I don't have makeup, I'm still gonna go in with the Pond's just to melt off any dirt, any oil on the face, and then I'll go ahead and rinse it off. And then that's when I go in with my other cleanser. So this one will be the other cleanser that I'm taking on my trip. So this will go right there. I think the cleansers need to go in my toiletry bag, but it's okay, we'll keep them in here. Since we're on the subject of Curology, I'll also go ahead and pack the cream in here as well, instead of putting it in my toiletry bag since it's already full with other products. But this will be my night cream. I use this every single night. So we'll fit her in here as well. Let's just rearrange some things. The last few products that I'm gonna put in here are, of course, lip products. So I didn't go crazy with this either. I just packed one lip balm. So the lip balm that I'm taking is this one by Laneige. This is their Lip Glowy Balm, and this one is the berry one. So my lip balms will go right here. And then lip gloss, I'm just taking two glosses. So this one by Fenty, this is the original gloss bomb. It's just a little mini size. And then this one by Morphe, this is the gloss in the shade Freebird. So those are the only lip products that I'm taking. I know it's kind of crazy coming from me because I always like to pack, like overpack lip products. But this trip is more so going for that fresh, no makeup, glowy skin look. But yeah, this is my makeup carrying case. This is everything in it. You see that it zips up with no struggle. Everything is in there nice and tight. Nothing's going to slip around because it is compacted really nice and tight. But yeah, that is it. If you guys are wanting to get one of these makeup cases, it is on Amazon. I'll have a link down below in the description. But we're done. All right, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me pack all of my makeup. Let me know how you pack your makeup when you're going on vacation. What do you take? What do you leave? Let me know. So let's go ahead and chit chat down below in the comments. Also, I am doing a giveaway on my channel every single month. So every month I give away one box to one person, and it's really easy to enter. All you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure you thumbs up this video, as well as leave a comment down below in the comment section. And I really don't want the comments to be anything about the giveaway. Let's talk about the makeup essentials that you would take on your vacation. So yes, I think that's all that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you thumbs it up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.